In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish a website in Odoo. First, log into your Odoo workspace and head to the website module. You'll find it in your app's dashboard. If you don't see it, check with your administrator to make sure you have access. Once you're in, look for the Create button to start a new website. This opens a fresh site environment, separate from anything else you may have, so you can design without affecting other content. Next, choose a theme or start from a blank canvas. Themes give you a head start with coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts, and you can preview how each one looks before committing. Don't worry if you change your mind later. Odoo lets you tweak styles and switch things up as you go. If you prefer full control, the blank option is great for building your own look from scratch. With your base set, use the drag and drop editor to build your pages. From the left panel, pull in text blocks, images, buttons, and forms. Click directly on text to edit it in line, and use headings for a clear content hierarchy. For images, choose high-quality files and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and search visibility. Buttons can link to specific pages or sections, and forms can capture leads or inquiries. Keep spacing consistent and use the style options to align your branding. Add the pages you need, like home, about, contact, and shop. You can create new pages from the top bar and name them clearly so they're easy to organize. If you plan to add more later, that's fine. Start with the essentials and expand as your content grows. Now refine your menu and overall navigation. Open the menu editor, reorder items, and group related pages under drop-downs when needed. Keep labels short and descriptive, and make sure the most important links are visible at the top level. If you're running a store, integrate Odoo e-commerce to add products, prices, and payment options. Enable the e-commerce app, create product listings with images and variants, and connect supported payment providers. Take a moment to review taxes, shipping, and currency so checkout is smooth for customers. Before you go live, preview your site on desktop and mobile. Use the responsive preview to check fonts, images, and spacing at different sizes. Test buttons, links, and forms to confirm everything works. When you're happy, click Publish to push your website live. Finally, if you want your own domain instead of the default Odoo URL, connect a custom domain in Odoo settings. Update your DNS records with your domain provider and allow time for propagation. And that's it, your Odoo website is ready to share with the world.